In this video, I'll be showing you how to buy crypto on Coinbase. Now this can be done on the website on your PC or on the mobile app, so it doesn't actually matter which device you're using, but to start with, you want to go ahead and open up Coinbase. From there, you should be able to see a button, and on the PC it's in the top right, it says buy and sell. And when we click on that, we'll be able to buy any crypto that we like which is on Coinbase. So if you wanted to buy with your local currency, you can go ahead and stay on this buy tab and then go down to where it says Bitcoin and click on that to choose a different asset. So you can buy any asset that's actually listed on Coinbase. As you can see, there is a massive list and you can choose whichever you like. So let's just say I wanted this, we can select that and we now want to choose how much we want to buy on Coinbase. So let's just say I only needed £10, we can go ahead and buy that with our local currency's wallet. Now, as you can see, I'm trying to buy £10 worth of this coin, but I've only got 74 pence available. So what I'll have to do is go ahead and top up my GBP wallet. And when you click this button here, you'll receive the details that you need to actually top up your wallet. Now, if you've already got some crypto on your Coinbase account, which you would like to swap for a different coin, let's just say I'm trying to buy Ethereum and I want to get rid of my Bitcoin for Ethereum. We can come over to this convert tab over here. And from there, we can choose the coin which we're trying to swap from. And then we can choose the coin which we're trying to swap to. So let's just say I wanted to sell my £1 worth of Bitcoin. I can do that and I can preview the conversion. And as you can see, I'll be swapping my Bitcoin and I'll be receiving Ethereum. So if I wanted to do that, I can click to convert now. And after you've done that, you will have successfully bought crypto on Coinbase. So that's how you can buy crypto on Coinbase. I hope you found this video helpful and thanks for watching.